Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to register a seller account on SHEIN UK. The first thing I want you to do is just type in SHEIN UK seller on your browser and open up this first link. So this is seller EU SHEIN. Anywhere in Europe you can sell. And then I want you to come here, hover over sell, and then click on apply now. So this is the SHEIN marketplace. This is the seller option. Now here they have the United Kingdom station registration or European station registration. In this case, we need to do UK. So we click on that. And then all you need to actually do here on this page, you need to go ahead and register an account. You need to enter your information, your legal business name. Okay, your main category right here. You need to pick that as well. There's also subcategories. You need to enter your phone number. You can pick from any of these countries and you enter your phone number. You'll be using that for verification, your email address, and your two-step verification code. Just click here and get verification code, and then you agree to the terms and hit confirm. Anything with an asterisk you need to fill in, and you need to complete the application process. Now they'll actually ask you for eligibility documents. So you need to ensure your business is a professional, legally registered company with a UK-based operation. You need to gather your documents. You'll need certificate of incorporation, your VAT registration document, your bank account confirmation letter in your company's name. You need a store logo in a PNG file. And then you just submit your documents and application. Then you wait for SHEIN's review. They'll actually contact you within 1 business day to begin the formal onboarding process. After that, you just go ahead and work with your assigned account manager to verify all your submitted documents. Then you can set up your storefront. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.